Yeah, welcome to Windows 10 installing and configuring labs. And this is still, we are still in chapter 2. So when I looked at it, and then I just thought of maybe I will show you how to turn on the features on Windows 10. So in here, as you can see, it says installing Windows 10 additional Windows features. So what it means is that if you go down, this is like one important one, like Hyper-V. I will show you how to turn on Hyper-V and how to turn on that type of stuff. So if you go down, you see you go to this Windows. When you go to this Windows, you turn on what it needs to be turned on. For example, let me show you that Windows there. If you go here, and if you go to control panel, that's easy way that so you can navigate there. And then you go programs and features, and then we go 10 Windows features on or off. This is where you want to turn off any or turn on any features that your machine is running. I mean, any feature is available in here. For example, if I want, now look, this one is already on because it's a Windows Defender Guard. Was it? It just gray out. So if it is ticked, it is on. If it is not ticked, it is not on. So this one is off. I don't know why. So you see, in Hyper-V by default it is off. Or like if you want to telnet, if you want to turn on the telnet, you just click, so you tick. So now I'm turning on TFTP and telnet. Also I want to turn on Hyper-V. Hyper-V is a virtual like a VMware. Is like a VMware virtual, because VMware is a virtual, right? Virtualize part of the virtualization. So Hyper-V is a part of the virtualization. So if I turn on the Hyper-V now, and I turn on this Hyper-V services and Hyper-V, these are gray out. Maybe they are on, but they are not on. But I don't know why they are gray out. But we turn on the Hyper-V there, but it requires, so you, like for example FTP, you turn on here. The feature of FTP, it should be around here. Windows TFTP, because Windows 10 Enterprise is kind of like new, even to me. So TFTP is supposed to be somewhere here, isn't it? FTP. We have a TFTP, FTP. So we don't have a FTP here, but FTP, what is called Internet Information Services. Yeah, this is where the FTP comes in. So it is under Internet Information Services, and then you if you expand, because when you expand you need to turn on the associated files as well. So FTP service, FTP extensibility, and FTP server. So now I turn on FTP server, Hyper-V, and at the same time I turn on, I don't know why, it's just a great, but it normally doesn't have to be a gray out. So I believe it's gonna turn on when I restart the computer, because it always asks a restart when you turn on the feature. Okay, so now that this is, my aim is that to show you the features of the computer that you want to turn on. If it is a TFTP, client, telnet, SNP by default it was ticked on. So this is where you come, like a PowerShell. It was ticked on. I didn't tick on, and so many other things. And if you click that plus, it shows you all the associate applications with that protocol. So if I say okay, it will ask us, it will search for the required files, and then it will ask me to restart. So I will restart, and that is how that's what you want to turn on. So I think this is let us restart. So I will finish this video, because that's the only thing that I was going to show you in this lab. I think after that we're gonna go to lab 3. So I'm just gonna finish with you so you can see how the features are turned on. Yeah, because normally the telnet will not work for you unless you turn it on there. So if you want to telnet your Windows to another Windows, it will not work for you unless you come to the control panel, I mean the steps that I follow it, and then you take that telnet and then you restart your computer. And after that you can telnet, otherwise the telnet will not work for you. It's taking time, as you can see, but we're gonna wait because I want to show you. It's gonna ask you to restart. I'm gonna show you that restart. I will restart and then I will end the video, and then we will go to chapter 3 and we see what occurs. You see, restart or do not restart. If you choose do not restart, that means like these applications will not turn on unless you restart. So I'll choose restart now. So I'm gonna end the video right here.